So if you look at this, we have different stage here. We have stage A, stage B, stage C, stage D, and what? Stage E. We want to know at the total. We want to look at the total distance traveled here. So if we look at it, we look at the distance traveled at stage A, right? So that will give me SA. Distance at stage A will give me SA, and this is a triangle, so will give me half base times height. So the base here, this is 0 here, right? To be 810 times the height, that will give me 15. So this will now be 810 divided by 2, 810 divided by 2 multiplied by 15, 6,075. So we have 6,075 meter. That is for the first stage, right? So the second stage is a rectangle. So we say my S at stage B is a rectangle. So we say SB is equals to what? Length times breadth. So the length here is 810 to 1010. That will be 200, right? So it will be 200 multiplied by the height, which is 15, right? So we multiply that, 200 multiplied by 15, that is 3,000. So this one here will give me 3,000 meter. Are we good? Then the next one we're talking about will be stage C. Stage C. Are we good? So stage C will be, this is a trapezium, right? So how we're going to know it will be the average distance here will be that my SC will be 15 plus 25, 15 plus 25 divided by 2 multiplied by the time during that period, and which is what? That is 10. So in doing that, my SC here will be equals to 15 plus 25, 15 plus 25 divided by 2 times 10. That'll give me 200 meters. 200 meters. That is for the C, right? Then at stage D, move forward to stage D here. So my stage D, let me do it here. Stage D. This answer for stage D is also a rectangle, and it says that my SD is equals to length times breadth. So 120, 1020 and 1320. That is 300, right? So to be 300 times the height here, and that is what? 25. So when you put 300 times 25, 300 multiplied by 25, that gives me 7,500 meters. So we have 7,500 meters. Then the next one is stage E. So for stage E, we have my SE is equals to half. Base in between these two is 10, right? The base is 10 seconds times the height, which is 25. So that will give me 5 times 25. 5 times 25. Are we good? So we have 105 meters. 125 meters. Are we good? That is stage E. Now, if we come to this point here, we will the total distance traveled will be S. Let me write it here. Total distance traveled. Total distance traveled will be S will be SA plus SB plus SC plus SD plus SE. So the total distance here will now be, what is the SA? SA giving us 6075 plus SC is 200, SB is 3000, SC is 200, SD is 7500, SE is what? 125. So when you add all together, my S here will give me, we have 6075 plus 3000 plus 200 plus 7500 plus 125. So that'll give me 16900 meters. That will be total distance traveled. So the question is telling us to look for the total speed traveled. So we know that the total speed V will be equals to what? Total distance all over what? Total time taken. Are we good? So my V is equals to what? Total distance all over what? Total time taken. That is my total speed. Is that taken? So this will now be the total distance here is giving us 16900 meters all over the total time taken, that is 1330. So the speed V here will be equals to, we have 1690 divided by 1330, and that'll give me 12.70. So we have 12.707 meter per second. That is the speed travel there.